Meaning of euthanize.
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 Euthanize. Euthanize means to purposely end the life of an individual, usually an animal or a person who is suffering or has a terminal illness. The result of euthanizing an individual is a peaceful, painless death, often administered through medication. The goal is to relieve the individual's suffering and ensure a humane, dignified end to their life. Euthanasia is a controversial topic and is regulated differently in different countries, with some allowing it as a legal option under certain circumstances, while others consider it illegal or unethical.